Despite the fact that we are supposed to be a digital society, there's still a whole lot of paper floating around in this world that can actually take up a lot of our time. And specifically, I am referring to catalogs that still get mailed to the home. Now, I'm a visual person. I don't mind flipping through a catalog, but the issue is when you get catalogs that you never signed up for, and then you realize you're being inundated, and it takes time to go through the catalogs, go through the mail, tear out all of your personal information, make sure that is taken care of, and then go ahead and put those catalogs in the recycling bin. And that time adds up if it's happening a couple times a week or even every single day. So, down below, you will see a link to resources that you can use to unsubscribe from various entities besides catalogs, from opting out of those credit card offers and opting out of various junk mail. But if you hang on for just a second, I am going to walk you through how to Google your way to unsubscribing from those catalogs. Let's say you no longer wish to receive a certain catalog in the mail. You can go to their website and try to find the link to the page to do that on, but it's usually not front and center. So, what you can do instead is go to the mighty google.com and put in the search term the website for the catalog, which you can usually find right on the catalog, plus remove from mailing list. Then, when you hit enter, the search will bring up the unsubscribe page for that particular catalog. Once you are on this page, then you can go ahead and fill in all of the information. And it is extremely helpful if this information is exactly how it appears on the catalog. So you can put in your first name here, and then you can put in your last name. And then you can put in your address exactly as it appears on the catalog, your city, your state, your zip code. Leave off the phone number so that way nobody is calling you, and leave it off especially if it's optional. And then if you can locate the catalog code, which is usually on the mailing label, you know what it is, you can put it in and then make sure that you click submit. Keep in mind that this request can take up to 8 weeks to process because they might already have a catalog campaign in process. But once they reach the end of that campaign, they will definitely pull your name and address because they don't want to spend money shipping you a catalog if you do not want it. So that is how you can unsubscribe from receiving catalogs you no longer wish to receive.